The natural frequency of the simple pendulum depends on the gravity acceleration. The Earth, the Moon, Mars, and Jupiter have different values of gravity acceleration. Therefore, identical pendulums will behave differently on each celestial object. Jupiter has the highest gravity acceleration. Hence, oscillations are the fastest on that planet. On the opposite, the gravity acceleration is the lowest on the Moon. Thus, oscillations are the slowest there. The natural frequency on Jupiter is about 1.62 times as high as the natural frequency on Earth. The one on Mars is about 0.62 times as high as the one on Earth. Finally, the one on the Moon is about 0.41 as high as the one on Earth.